Hello everyone, welcome to my lifestyle. So today I wanted to share with you an inexpensive way to refresh your laundry room. So I recently refreshed my laundry room because it tended to be untidy and disorganized. And so we wanted to make it more appealing to the eye, and especially because it's such a small space and we had a lot of item storage in there. So the first thing we did is we painted the walls. We used a satin-based paint. This will make it much easier to clean off any scuff marks or things of that nature as opposed to using a flat wall paint. And the paint is called Alaskan Glacier. It actually has a blue tint, but it is a white paint. Also with the shelving, it was already white, but it needed to just be refreshed. So we used a furniture-based white gloss paint to paint the shelves to kind of match the laundry machine. And inside those shelves, we used some baskets that I originally had in my previous design. Now, these signs here, I really love the wash and dry signs and the laundry sign. I actually got them from Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off, so they were the perfect accent of decor needed in the space. So instead of it just being a blank wall there, and they were not going to take up any additional space. Also, in these baskets, they actually are stuffed to max capacity and they're holding a lot of volume. To give you an idea, one of the basket has three small bottles of Clorox and two large bottles of Clorox, three bottles of Windex, and some towels. So they actually hold a lot in those baskets. On top of my dryer, I have a bedside tray. I really love like the wood color and the brown colors. This Laundry Today or Naked Tomorrow sign, I recycled it from my previous design, but I got it from Hobby Lobby too some years ago. And then also on top of my tray, I actually have some water bottles that I got from the Dollar Tree. I made my own labels and they just have a soap solution, water solution, and just a fabric refresher, as well as the white bowl is a resin bowl and it has my dryer balls in it. The large glass container, I hadn't decided what I was going to put in it yet, but hopefully I'll figure it out soon. And then another thing is we use these little hangers here. These are organic bamboo hangers. They are for your socks or leggings or anything like that, but they actually work quite well and they save on space. So I will include the link to purchase them. So I'm overall pleased with the way the laundry room turned out. It was very cost effective because I reused a lot of the items that I already had in my design. I did stuff the baskets to max capacity, but just to make sure that everything looked nice and tidy. Up there, if you see this little blue liquid solution, that's actually a way that I use them in my dryer so I don't have to purchase any more laundry sheets or dryer sheets. So I'll show you how to create that in another video. Also, the wall tile is just a peel and stick tile that we got from like a Family Dollar store. It's okay in the design. If I had to purchase it again, I probably would purchase something different. But overall, I am pleased with the way that the laundry room turned out. And I'd like to thank you for taking this time to tune into our video. So please comment, like, and subscribe to my lifestyle, and we will see you on the next video.